Hi, this is Garrison Comstock with Garrison Team Real Estate, and I'm here at my brand new listing in Torrance, California. This property's got 1,012 square feet, 3 beds, 1 bath on a 5,100 square foot lot. It was built in 1953, and you gotta see the updates in the back. It's got an unbelievable entertainment system. Come on, let's check it out. Check out this backyard. It's got brand new wiring for speakers and television, the perfect place to hang out with friends and family. So come on, come over, check it out. I'll see you soon.